S&P getting out of bear market territory. What does that say to you for the broader market to make some upside moves?
I think we're in a new bull market, Frank. You and I were chatting yesterday. The trend of the market's clearly up. Our proprietary indicator, the HCM byline, went positive about 3.5 months ago. So we've been entering the market at a rapid pace. We're 100% invested. And if you look at the Russell 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000, this market's starting to broaden out. Even though it was really tech-driven and FANG-driven, I'm pretty optimistic that this is a new bull market, and I think that you should be fully invested.
Vance, you hit on something I wanted to ask you about anyway. Some investors, they've been very concerned about the narrowness of the rally. But as you mentioned, small caps, the Russell outperformed in June so far. We're going to show you a chart. It's the IWM that tracks the small cap index. That outperformance, something a lot of people are paying attention to today, at least. What opportunities are you seeing there? What is this upside move in small caps? What does that say to you?
Well, like I said, there's some broadening out of the market here, and there's some wonderful small caps that are really breaking into 52-week highs, like SMCI. That's a really nice little micro cap or stock in the super microcomputer industry. It's going to benefit from AI also. So there's a lot of different stocks that are picking up steam and that are broadening out. So, and you can look at the bank stocks too, Frank. Look at BK, like Bank of New York Mellon. It's selling at a 13 PE, and it was a real sort of a beneficiary or negative way beneficiary of the negative banking crisis. So there's an opportunity to pick up some good bank stocks down here too. When this bull market starts to really unfold, it'll lift all ships. It'll start to broaden out and lift all different sectors up.
All right, I want to go back to financials for a second. So you're seeing opportunities in financials. Are there any other names, or are you also looking at some of the regional banks that have been really beaten down? A lot of people say due to the fact that their valuation's a lot better, there's opportunities there.
I think there's a ton of opportunities in these regional banks. And, Frank, 70% of all the loans out there come from these regional banks. So we have to have them. They're a vital part of our economy and what's going on in the future of credit and loans and small businesses being able to stay alive. But, you look at BK, which is, Bank of America. Bank of New York Mellon. You look at Bank of America. Bank of America selling at an 8 PE. I mean, it's just, this thing is really, really cheap as far as what they have is inside of value of that banking stock. So some of these banking stocks have been needlessly pulled back to the point they're just really, really nice buys right now.
So what about the regional banks? We're also showing the KRE right now. Would you put money into the regional banks? Is there any one regional bank you may invest in?
Frank, I wouldn't play a regional bank right now. I would play it with KRB because you've got a broader basket there. If you have something unexpected happens to one of these banks, you've got a lot of diversification in there. Your odds are just higher of making money with less risk by trading that ETF.